In this quick video, I am going to show you why 4 out of 2 speakers was not working on iPad 10th generation. Actually, on iPad 10th gen, you can see there is a 2 sets of stereo speakers, both at the top and bottom. You can see the speakers, but out of these 4, only 2 speakers was working. When you place your iPad like this horizontally, the camera should be face on the top, and on your left you can see the Touch ID, and these 2 speakers was working fine, and these 2 speakers are not working. Actually, there is no issue. These 2 bottom speakers are actually the speaker. These top 2 speakers are for design purpose. I show you the picture. This is the specification comparison for 3 iPads. This is iPad Pro 10th gen and 9th gen. Here you can see the speakers. On 9th gen you can see there is only one speaker. 10th gen you can see the stereo speaker on landscape, which is this one and this one. And for iPad Pro you can see the 4 speakers, both top set and bottom set. So that's the thing. I hope now you understand. This is for design purpose only. These 2 speakers portion is for design purpose only. This and this. Only this and this will be working as a speaker. Now you got the point. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.